Today's video, I'm going to tell you everything you could possibly want to know about these 3 back braces and posture correctors. I bought them on Amazon. I tested them. I'm going to show you what they look like under a shirt. Can you really see them when you are wearing them or not? I'm going to give you all and answer pretty much every question you could want to know. Now, this is going to be perfect for you if you need a little bit of extra back support when lifting or working, or you want to correct your posture. They are very similar, but there are some differences, and I'm going to cover all of that. We have right over here, this is going to be the Fit Gino. This one right over here is going to be the Comfy Brace. And this one right over here is going to be the Solo Ever. They are very similar, but we'll get into the differences. Let's start with the Fit Gino. So this is what this one is right over here. We got some nice elastic up here. This is adjustable. This also comes in different sizes. So I think this one might come in different colors. I just went with the black. You're going to put this on literally like a backpack. You're just going to put one strap right over there. We're going to take this other strap right over here. We're just going to pop that up very simply just like that. And if you're feeling good about it, you could see that. And then we're just going to go across just like this. And you want to make sure this is tight so you kind of get that tension. Now, there are some rods right back in here. You'll see the really nice, I could probably make this strap a little tighter, but for the purposes of this, I can feel the tension right back here. Now, this is also pulling my shoulders up a little bit, so I can't really hunch down. So it's doing both the work of a back brace and a posture corrector. Now, as far as the shirt goes right over here, I'm gonna put this on just like that. No one really wants to walk around with a back brace on or noticeable. And you'll see right over here, we're kind of just, it will depend on the shirt and how tight your shirt is, but you can tell right over here, you can't really notice that I am wearing it at all. We'll take a look at the back in a second, but it just doesn't really look like it from that. And this is a lighter colored shirt, so you might see a line or two, but you can definitely hide under this one. Let's jump over to the Comfy Brace. The Comfy Brace is more of a posture corrector, not necessarily so much on the back support, but helps you with your posture. So for the Comfy Brace right over here, this is a one size. So it is adjustable. You got this nice little nylon. It is breathable. You don't have to worry about this at all. It is also adjustable right over here via Velcro. So for this one right over here, you're going to want to kind of put this one on like a backpack as well. This one is not going to go down on the back. You're just going to kind of just slip that over just like this. And you're kind of like this, and we're gonna have this like nice and tight right over here. And you'll see that's kind of where it looks like it kind of falls right down over here. Now, what this is doing, it's kind of pulling your shoulders forward, so you can't really hunch over. This does take a little bit to get used to because your body is obviously not used to it kind of being pulled this way, but it's very comfortable. Again, let's look at this over a shirt right over here. We're just take this shirt, put this shirt on, just like that. And then we're kind of have that going on. And you can't really see it in the back right over there. Obviously, it will depend on the shirt. But for the purposes of this, you can't really notice anything is going on over here. So this is perfect if you're trying to kind of work on your posture constantly and don't want people to see. The last one we got over here, and then we'll kind of compare them head to head. I made a little chart over here. This is going to be the Solo Ever one right over here. This one is similar to the Fit Gino, but it does have some differences. So this one right over here is adjustable. This one is going to be adjustable via these straps right over here instead of Velcro. You could adjust it however you want. For this one, again, put it on just like a backpack, just like that. And then this one, you kind of got to like make sure you grab the strap. And it's always kind of, instead of trying to pull your arm across for most of these, try to just slip it in. It goes much quicker. So for this one right over here, this one does come in different sizes as well. And then we have this right over here. And you'll see this is what this one looks like. Definitely, it goes a little further down the back for me personally. And then for this one right over here, we're just going to pop this shirt on right over here. And then we're kind of good to go with this one right over here. And you can kind of see, not really super noticeable, which is great. So with all of these, let's kind of go over the pros, the cons. I would say If you're just kind of focused on your posture and don't really need the lower back support, the comfy brace one is going to be the one for you. This one is just going to help your posture. It just comes in one side as it's just going to pull over. Really easy to work with. You don't need a shirt, or you can wear this under a undershirt right on your skin if you wanted to. Now, in terms if you're looking for more back support, it's going to be the Fit Geno or the Soul Ever. I would say the biggest difference between the two of these is how it adjusts. This one, you have the little loop right over here, that you're going to pull up and down. This one over here, you're going to have Velcro. So that's kind of the biggest difference for this one right over here. You have the similar support, you have the mesh. They're both breathable. They both have Velcro. They both come in different sizes. So that's kind of the main difference between this one right over here. I personally prefer Velcro to adjust because it's just a little bit easier for me. So that's kind of a breakdown of these three right over here. This one is going to be best if you want to be able to adjust using Velcro and you want that lower back support. This one is going to be best if you want the lower back support and maybe you want a little bit tighter fit, because you could get a tighter fit with this versus the Velcro. And then the comfy brace right over here is going to be great for posture. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I hope you find the right back brace for you.